Make a quick video. I just bought this. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But I have one hand right now, so I'm gonna cut it quick so I can show you what it's at. Let's go. Now apparently this thing works with your iPhone or your tablet. I have a monitor here, I have a connection here, and I'm gonna use this thing. So again, I'm gonna stop it with what's in here. Boom, there it is. Tablet, phone. Goes from iPad or phone to here to monitor and plug connection. That's that, and this is the device. Very simple. Quick little video. Nothing really important. But I have a tablet there that I want to use, so I'm gonna connect that to here. If I could do it with one hand, I have the power, which is gonna be right here. And it's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, there. That's connected. Now you can see everything is connected. Now let's see if I can reach. Okay, I'm gonna try to move this a little more. Okay. Turn that. I'm gonna try to connect this. It's the opposite. Okay, I think it's connected. Nope, it's not connected. I'm gonna have to stop. I have to push harder with two hands. Boom, there it goes. It's connected. Now you have to press stress. I'll put my password. There you go. Now, boom, there you go. I'm gonna go to, I don't want to show anything. Okay, let's go to, I know not everything's gonna work because that's how they have it. So not everything works. Certain things could work, certain things not gonna work. See how that's not working? Because that doesn't let you. Okay. Tells you what you can actually use. So let's go to, where's Google? No, that's not it. That's not it. Where's Google at? Ah, here it is. There. So let's go to my channel. Well, that's not my channel. This is my channel. Now, let's see if it works. It's working. Now, the reason you can't hear sound because I don't have it connected right now. My charger, my other thing's somewhere else. But there you go. That's how you connect it from this to that. Not that hard, really, but I had to use this for the monitor. If not, it wouldn't work. That's how I have it connected all the way there, so that could work. There you go. Let's watch that again. Click. There you go, same thing. I'm gonna pause it with my other hand. I'm gonna move it. They didn't cost that much, like a couple of bucks. Boom, zoom. I don't know why the monitor is doing that. I need to fix that because it's kind of weird that the monitor does this. See, this one only has this signs, but the monitor shows everything. Oh, my shirt. There you go. Peace out. So if you guys ever need something like that, you could buy one of these things. It doesn't have the name, but I got it at Amazon for a few bucks.